Welcome to the USA Filtration System instructional installation video. Thank you for buying the USA Filtration Drinking Water System. Once you have opened your box, these are the package components you should find. Let's get started, shall we? Step 3 involves removing the filter from the housing and removing the plastic cover. Don't worry, it doesn't matter which way the filter goes in. Just make sure it sits in the grooves provided. Just tight enough. Okay, let's move on to step 4. We will need 4 of the 8 screws for the mounting bracket. Before attaching the mounting bracket to the head of the housing, make sure the in and out are properly set for your installation. As we see, the inlet and outlet are correct for our installation. Let's get started with step 5. To do this, first wrap Teflon tape around the fittings 5 to 6 times. Try to leave the front of the threads open for easier installation. Do not over-tighten. You are putting brass into PVC pipe. Avoid expensive repairs. If the fittings do not thread easily, you may have cross-threaded them. Step 6, here we come. It is much easier to attach the filter housing to a wall with the filter detached. For your convenience, place the filter as close to the plumbing as possible. Step 7 is putting the filter back on the housing. Hand tighten, do not use the wrench. For step 8, we must turn off the water at the valve and relieve pressure at the faucet. Step 9. All sinks have a 3/8 inch compression nut and hose going to the faucet. You can simply remove the compression nut from the cold water line and attach to the outlet of the water filter system. Attach the enclosed tubing to the cold water line. Make sure to use a wrench. Now attach the tubing to the filter housing inlet. Again, don't forget to use a wrench. Almost done. Step 12. Turn on the water and check for any leaks. You should flush the filter for about 3 minutes. You can do this by simply turning on your faucet. If you have followed all of these steps correctly, you have successfully installed your USA filtration system. USA Filtration Systems. USAFiltrationSystem.com. Visit us on the web or call toll-free. USA Filtration Systems. USAFiltrationSystem.com.